Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. 2023 is here, and that means new goals and resolutions for most people. Stop in and let us know how we can make a new Kia part of your plan this year. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Telluride, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the all-new 2023 Sportage is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your hands on a new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Happy New Year! I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Conquer new trails in 2023 with the 2023 Kia Sorento. This month, lease a 2023 Sorento S all-wheel drive X-Line for $399 a month for 36 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2023 Sorento include an exceptional X-Line package available on S, EX, and SX Prestige trims, standard Kia DriveWise safety technologies, and second row heated captain's chairs. Stop in or give us a call to reserve your 2023 Kia Sorento.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.